Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by. If you are new here, you are welcome to my channel. Okay, today guys, we are going to be unboxing. Yes, we are going to be unboxing. And guess what we are unboxing? I bought this thing from Amazon. Yeah, I ordered some waist trainer and mannequin head. Okay, let's unbox it with you guys. This is the package that came with. Let's unbox. As you can see, let's see. Okay. This one is just packed. Oh, then this is the mannequin head. And here is the waist trainer. Okay. This is the waist trainer. Just let's look at the mannequin head. Let's see. Take my knife again. Oh, empty. Ooh. I can't wait to make wig with this. I have another one, but that one is too big. But it's not this type of regular whatever mannequin head, but this one is more better. But the one I have before is way too big. And it came with the clamp. Okay, this is the clamp. I guess you have to. Okay, it goes like this. Okay. So this one will just go here. Then you can clamp it top of the table wherever you want to use it. Look at it. It's nice. I think the head circumference is 21. Can't wait to make a wig. Okay, now let's look at the waist trainer. Oh, okay, this is size M. I hope it's not too big. Okay. put on the, okay guys, this is the back. I put it on the second. It has four hook. Yeah, I put it on about the second one. Okay, I put it on the second one. Okay, I can see. I don't want to take off the stuff first, but let me see how it goes. By the time after this video, I'm going to wear it with her because I have undershirt, and I'm just going to wear it again and see how it goes. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you, zipper. Okay, not bad. Okay. Okay, that's it for the video of unboxing. And this one is affordable. Okay, it wasn't that expensive. Okay, I think I bought this one for $19.99. Then the waist trainer was $28 something. Yeah, more than $28, almost $29. That's what I paid for the waist trainer. Thank you all for watching. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. I like the texture. The spandex. What's it called? Okay, bye guys. Bye. Let's get the hair figure. Okay. Bye guys.